Yeah, today video I solve divisor game. First of all, I'll go to notepad. In our problem statement, what we say, Alice and Bob two players, and Alice always first starting first, and we need to follow these two condition. Okay, and if a player can't make move, they lose the game. Okay, and return true if only Alice wins, assuming both players play optimally. Now, in example one, n is 2, n is 2, and in tax we had no we need to follow this. So if n is 2, then it will be allies have to choose the x between greater than 0 and less than 2, and must be in x value must be factor of n. So allies need to choose between this condition. Okay, and ls in that case ls will choose if n equals to 2, then ls will choose 0 and 1. Between 0 and 2, ls will choose 1. Now we replace n, uh, uh, replacing n, we need to follow n minus x. N value is 2 and x value is now 1, so 2 minus 1 will be 1. Now n value is 1, and in Bob terms, what we have to Bob have to choose between 0 to 1. Now n value is 1, we know. So Bob have to choose between 0 and 1, and between 0 and 1 there are not any positive value. So in this case Bob have no more moves, and Alice will win in this case. So in output it will show true. And in example 2, n value is 3. In value 3, now ls have to choose between 0 to 3. 0 to 3, suppose ls choose 1, so we replace in value is 3 and x value is 1. 3 minus 1, 2, so n value is replacing to 2. Now in Bob's turn, what have to do? Bob have to choose the value between 0 and 2, and Bob have choose 1, because between 0 and 2 we can choose 1. So now replacing n value, now n value is 2. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Now n value is 1. Now in ls turns, ls have to choose 0 and between 1, and there is no positive value between this, so in this turn ls will lose and Bob will win. And in pseudocode, first if n is even, then it will true, and else it will return false. It is odd. In odd case it will return false. That's it. Now what is the time complexity of this? Time complexity will be O of 1, and space complexity will be O of 1 in both case. Okay, now go to code. What is our condition? Our condition is to make Alice win. If returns true, then if Alice wins, we find this. So our condition is that. Now if Alice take move even number, then he will win. If Alice take odd number, then he will lose. This is our condition. So we will return if n mod 2, and that will be equals to 0, it will return automatically even number, or it does not satisfy, then it will return false. Now compile it, and we get now submit, and we done today's problem. See you in next video. Still and tata, bye.